So I said I'm going to be doing a rebuild video. I didn't say I was going to rebuild it, but I told you something was broken, so I've been working on it for the last couple months. So, I'll show you what's wrong. I'm just trying to use a tablet. Started rusting out and all the pieces fell out. You can see, zoom in. I can't do it. Inside here is wrecked, and everything was starting to rust out because I've took it through a lot. Lots of snow, trailing, so I'm gonna be doing a rebuild video. I'm pretty sure. I'm just gonna rebuild stuff on it, probably put new shocks and other stuff, so I'll be doing a rebuild video. Thank you for watching.